equation, we need to find the stability and we need to comment it, right? So okay, first of all, given solution, right? So we need to start as per the procedure. So right, s power 5, s power 4, and s power 3, s power 2, s power 1, s power 0. So up to we need to write it, right? So it's a simple procedure, right? So remaining we need to fill it. So s power 5 la start ஆகுது, right? So we need to fill it up in the with the help of odd number coefficient. So 5 odd coefficient is now 1, right? And next odd number, which is now 3, other coefficient 3. Then 3 kaduthathu vara in the equation vara odd number, which is s power 1, other coefficient number 2, right? This is what the route are. These are the elements which we are just going to fill it up. And in second row, s power 4, right? We need to find out s power 4 coefficients, right? So s power 4 coefficient 2, right? So which is now 2. Next even number, s power 2. This one, s power 2. S power 2 the coefficient 6. And then s power 0. That is now s power 0 is nothing but 1, right? So the coefficient 1. So next element next row, third row onwards. Actually, what we are just going to do, third row onwards, we are just going to follow the route array. What could I say? Procedure, right? So we need to multiply these two elements, and we need to multiply these elements, right? And divide by these two. So now S3 row calculation, S power 3 row calculation, right? What actually? So 2 into 3 minus 1 into 6 divided by 2, right? Am I right? Just solve பண்ணுங்க. என்ன வந்திருக்கு? 2 into 3 6, 1 into 6 6, 6 minus 6 0, 0 by 2 0, which is now 0. And in second one, second element, கொஞ்சம் குயிக்கா சால்வ் பண்ணி சொல்றீங்களா? Second element. So 2 into 2 minus 1 into 1 divided by 2. கொஞ்சம் faster சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். It will be very easy. 2 into 2, 4 minus 1 into 1 divided by 2, right? So now 4 minus 1, 3, 4 minus 1 by 2, 3 by 2, which is now 1.5, right? Is now 1.5. And there is no next element, it will be 0, right? Next one is power 2 row calculation. So s power 2 row calculation. Now what to do? So this element, right? So now 0 into 6, 2 into 1.5 divided by 0, right? Which is now anything divided by 0, which is now infinity, right? Again here also 0 into 1 minus 2 into 0 divided by 0, which is also infinity, right? So while we'll have infinity on my route array first column. So if you're having other than that, if you're having infinity, right? So we couldn't able to comment the stability of your given system, and the same way we couldn't able to analyze the stability of your given system, right? What actually we need to do, right? So in our infinity illama, if you're having any other positive value or negative value in the sense, definitely you could say whether by seeing that criteria, right? So all the elements should be greater than 0, right? So if you're just having every element of our first column in our route array should be greater than 0, that's a criterion. If you just made with that, it just definitely could have a stability, that stable system for this given characteristic equation of our system. But now we could have an infinity. Definitely you couldn't say the system is stable system or unstable system. So அப்படின்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. It will be very difficult to understand, right? So for that purpose, this is a special case, right? Now we need to go with a different strategy. We need to follow, right? So என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா, so இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம் கண்டிப்பா யூனிவர்சிட்டி எக்ஸாம்ல வந்துச்சுன்னா, what actually we need to do? right? There's a special case now we need to follow. Saying editor, now we need to add a statement over here. Here we need to add it, right? So we need to add a statement like this, right? We are having infinity on our first column, so we need to what could I say? We need to follow special case. We need to write follow special case because we are having infinity, right? That's why இந்த மாதிரி எழுதிட்டு நீங்க next என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா, right? So we need to write a statement like this, and then what we need to do, right? So special case எழுதிட்டு நீங்க complete பண்ணணும். Again one more time we need to draw a route array. One more time you need to fill it up this first two row, right? So now whiteboard updates again. I'm just continuing, but you people write a statement. So we are having infinity on our first column on route array. So we need to follow special case. Again we need to what could I say? Again we need to fill this entire first two row elements, right? First two row elements we need to fill. So instead of now putting 0, right? We are just having one variable. Now we are just going to introduce one variable that is called psi, right? Now instead of 0, now we are just going to introduce a variable name called psi. Now we are just having a variable psi. This is special case. So once we are just having 0 vandanaladha adutha infinity varudhu illaya, that's why we need to introduce sigma instead of 0, right? Now as usual the same procedure we just going to continue. Again s2 row calculation. Again s2 row calculation continue பண்ணுங்க, right? s2 row calculation என்னது same what the என்ன procedure நம்ம follow பண்ணனும், just follow the same procedure. 6 into sigma s2 row calculation. Now 6 into sigma minus 2 into 1.5, which is now 3, divided by sigma, right? So just only one small changes. Instead of 0, now we are just going to introduce sigma, right? And then next one we need to multiply sigma into 1. We need to multiply sigma into 1, 2 into 0, right? Sigma into 1 sigma, and 2 into 0 0, sigma into 1 minus 2 into 0 divided by sigma, right? What is the value now? So 2 into 0 is now 0, sigma into sigma sigma, sigma into sigma sigma, and it's now everything cancelled each other. Now it will be finally it will be 1. Yes, is now 1. Next there is no element. Now putting 0, there is no element on my third column, that's why it's 0. And then s1 row calculation. Now next s1 row calculation. S1 row calculation will be very easy. So again we need to multiply this whole term into this, and sigma into 1 this whole divided by this one, right? Just make it fast. I'm just going to have the same element on our row calculation. So 1.5 into 6 sigma minus 3 divided by sigma, right? So this into minus this whole divided by this element 6 sigma. என்ன procedure நம்ம follow பண்ணுமோ அதே procedure தான், but instead of we are having values, right? 6 sigma minus 3 by sigma. And in second element calculate பண்றப்ப this into 0, this into 0, so anything is now 0, this also 0. So last s power 0 the coefficient is now 1. Just put s equal to 1. So because s power 0 value is now coefficient is now 1, that's why s power 0 is now 1. Right? Now what to do? Next step what to do? Right? Next என்ன பண்ணனும்னா, right, we need to add one more page, right? Now I'm going to repeat this entire board, but you people need to replace sigma tends to 0. Now put sigma is equal to 0. Put now sigma equal to 0. Now you could just what could I say? Put sigma equal to 0. If what actually we are just getting அப்படிங்கறத வாட்ச் பண்ணலாம். So next என்ன பண்ணனும்னா, நீங்க you need to what could I say? You need to use one more page, one more paper. So இதுலயே நான் rough பண்ணி எழுதுறேன், but you people need to follow one more page, right? So now put as sigma is equal to 0. So now I'm just going to raise it over here, and I'm just going to use, right? but you people need to follow different thing, right? Right, I'm just going to use it over here. Now, sigma equal to 0 over here. 0 over here also, right? Now here also. Before doing that, just cross multiply everything, right? Just cross multiply, just bring this sigma into upper word. So what actually it's going to do? So it's now sigma மேல கொண்டு வந்துட்டோம். Sigma into 1.5 into 6 sigma minus 3 divided by sigma, and sigma உள்ள multiply பண்ணிட்டா sigma square divided by 6 sigma minus 3, right? Now put sigma is equal to 0. So in the sigma cancel out, right? Remaining sigma 0 now. This also 0, this also 0. Totally this also 0, right? 1.5 into minus 3 divided by minus 3. So minus 3 cancels now. Remaining 1.5. So this total value is now minus 1.5. Sorry, 1.5. Single 1.5. So minus 3 cancel out. So remaining is now 1.5. The total value is now sigma equal to 0. 1.5. Just now we have calculated over here 1.5. This also is now minus 3, right? So minus 3 divided by 0. This is now infinity. Minus 3, anything by 0 is now infinity. So minus infinity, right? And sigma is equal to 0. Now we'll have a value, right? So now we'll have a value, right? Now we could see this is the final Raut array. Now we are having the equation, right? Here it's look like this, right? Every element of first column of a Raut array, right? So here, other than that of this infinity, we are having a positive value 0 also, right? So we'll have a positive value 1, 2, 0, and then minus infinity, and then just coming into plus value. Definitely there is a 2 times sign is changing. So in the plus, right here plus, right in the area of plus, in the minus, again plus. Sign is changing 2 times. 2 times sign is changing. That's why system is now unstable. It's all right. Comment we need to write it in bottom end, right? So the sign is getting changed by 2 times. So the given system is now unstable, right? What actually we need to first 2 rows column fill பண்றோம், and 0 வரணும் என்ன பண்ண முடியல, we are having infinity continue வருது. So for the purpose, the special case which will be followed is என்னன்னா, instead of 0, we are just putting a small variable that's called the side. அதை வச்சு solve பண்றோம். Once we just filled every column of the first column of the array and just put sigma is equal to 0. So அதை fill பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா we'll have that values, right? Now we just able to comment the stability. So we'll have one more method, right? So நீங்க இந்த method தான் follow பண்ணணும்னு கிடையாது. There is one more method will be available, right? I'm just going to tell you that another method, right? Now I'm just going to give you another method. Any doubt up to this in the method? Doubt irukka? So in your examinations, there is no restriction, right? So people go with that different methods, right? So we once இது நீங்க இது ஈஸியா தான் நீங்க இதை எடுத்துக்கோங்க, or else we'll have one more method நான் சொல்லிடுறேன். And if you are just able to what would I say, follow the both method, but in examination time no one is just going to restrict you, right? So in the method தான் follow பண்ணணும்ல கிடையாது. Anyway, you need to find out Raut array, right? That's all. So we'll have one more method. I'm just going to give you the second method, the same problem, second method. So if you're just familiar with this second method, now you just go with the second method, right? So you people go with the second method. So first one, the same thing which I'm just going to follow once again. 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2. The same method I'm just going to follow. Once again, I'm just going to repeat it, right? So as per 4, 2, 6, 1. 2, 6, 1. So the same thing which we need to follow is 0 and 4 minus 1 by 2, 1.5, 0. Here we are having infinity, right? So here we'll be having infinity, here also infinity. So now what to do? So special case will be followed again. So if you're just willing to follow that second method, which I'm just going to follow here, so you people go with that second method. So உங்களுக்கு எந்த method யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும் அந்த method யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, right? Case special case will be followed. Special case will be followed because we are having infinity, right? So you need to mention actually. If you mention பண்ணிட்டு then you need to go, right? So otherwise it will be wrong. So you need to mention in our route array first column will be and bracket சொல்லிட்டு sorry infinity சொல்லிட்டு then special case will be followed as follows. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு we just go with that. That special case in second method. In the method it will be very easy. So என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா, right? C simple C put S equal to 1 by S. That's all in our given equation. So put S equal to 1 by X in our given characteristic equation. You need to follow this step, right? In our special case 2. In the method you follow பண்ணலாம். So என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Just replace S equal to 1 by X in our given system. So என்ன வரும்? 1 by X power 5, 2 by X power 4, 3 by X power 3, and just replacing S is equal to 1 by X. That's all. 3 by X by 3 and plus 6 by X square plus 2 by X plus 1 equal to 0. Take LCM, right? Just take LCM over here. Take LCM and simplify it. Take LCM and simplify it. Make it fast. Just take LCM and simplify it. Now I'm just going to take LCM, right? So X power 5 plus X power 4 plus X power 3 plus X power 2 plus X is equal to 0, right? மேல என்ன வரும்? X power 5 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 6x plus 2 plus x power 5. Sorry, here 1 actually, right? Here 1. X into x, x by plus x by is equal to 1, right? 1 plus 2x, right? Plus 3x square plus 6x plus 2, sorry, 2x, 2, 3 and 2x power 4, right? Then it will be coming into this side, it will be become 0 now. It will be become 0 now, right? Now this is what our new characteristic equation, right? Just to order எழுதுங்க. Just take an order. X power 5, 2x power 4, 6x cubed, 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is our new characteristic equation. இதை வச்சு நீங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம்? route array frame பண்ணுங்க, right? As usual. Now I'm just going to replace this entire equation. Now I'm just going to replace this entire equation in the form of x, right? நம்ம x ல எழுத போறோம். That's a very simple. அங்க s ல இருந்துச்சு, இப்ப x ல எழுத போறோம். X power 5 plus 2x power 4 plus 6x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now it's just going to go with the normal, what would I say, my route array format. What is the route array format, right? So we are just going to write s power 5, s power 4. Instead of s, we are having x, right? X power 5, x power 4, x power 3, x power 2, x power 1, x power 0. The same procedure, but instead of x, we are having now s, right? That's all the same things. The same procedure we are just going to follow. The same procedure. Now, x power 5 order coefficient, x 5 order coefficient, now 1. x5 coefficient is now 1. And in next odd number x5 x3. Other coefficient 6. And in 5, 3, then x power 1. That is now here. Other coefficient 2. Now this is what my route array, right? The same procedure. 1 by x replace பண்ணணும், take LCM and just have a higher order to lower order format and x power 4 now. X power 4 என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? We just going to go with x power 4, which is now 2. And then x power 4 करते x power 2. Our coefficient 3. And then s power 0, which is now 1. Now the same procedure, third row calculation, x power 3 row calculation. X power 3 row calculation. What actually it is that? So 2 into 6 minus 1 into 3 divided by this element. Right? What is the value? So 2 into 6, 12 minus 3. So anyway, I'm just going to write it every term, then it will be really easy. 2 into 6, 2 into 6 minus 1 into 3. 1 into 3 divided by 2. Right? 12 minus 3 divided by 2. This is now 9 by 2. Am I correct? 4.5. Next element நீங்க தான் சொல்லணும். சொல்லுங்க, குயிக்கா சொல்லுங்க. Next element. Next element என்னது formula? So 2 into 2 minus 1 into 1 divided by 2. What is the value? Anyone? Make it fast. என்ன வேல்யூ பா? 1.5. Okay, 1.5. Okay, next element கண்டிப்பா 0 because there is no column element, right? So that's why 0. Next பா, next சொல்லுங்க. இப்போ now 4.5. Instead of 2, இப்போ now 4.5. So 4.5 into 3. In the element calculate பண்ணும்போது that is called x2 row calculation. x2 row calculation, x power 2. So x power 2 row calculation. So அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்? We need to multiply now 4.5 into 3 minus 2 into 1.5 divided by 4.5. What is the value? கொஞ்சம் quick சொல்லுங்க. So 4.5 into 3 minus 2 into 1.5 divided by 4.5. What is the value? எவ்வளோப்பா?
2.33, sir.
Okay, thank you. 2.33. Next element 4.5 into 1 minus 2 into 0 divided by 4.5, which is now 4.5 by 4.5, which is now 1. Now is it right? It will be very easy. Now 4.5 into 1, 4.5. 2 into 0, this is 2 into 0, nothing but 0, divided by 4.5. That is 4.5, 4.5 is now 1. And then x power 1 calculation. X power 1 calculation, next சொல்லுங்க, x power 1 calculation. X power 1, go. X power 1. So now we need to multiply 2.3 into 1.5 minus 4.5 into 1 divided by 2.3. What is the value? Now x power 1 row calculation. Now x power 1, 2.33 into 1.5 minus 4.5 into 1 divided by 2.33. What is the value now? I think it will be minus, right? So here it will be higher value. I think minus was our when this one is a higher value. Yes.
minus 0.43.
0.2
43, sir.
43. And now next value 2.3 into 0, 4.0 divided by 2.3 is now, which is now 0. X power of 0 value, it is now 1. Now every element of your row array is now filled, right? This is also 0. This is also 0. Now your row array is now framed, right? So now we could see your first column of your row array. There is a sign changes. Am I correct? Definitely there is a sign changes now, right? Actually, from here, right? So from here onwards to here, it will be plus value. Again, here x1 row negative value. Again, there is a plus value. So sign is now changing about 2 times, right? So system is now unstable. System is unstable. That's all, right? System is now getting unstable because of sign is now changing. So these are two methods for a say infinity or a problem figure, right? One method is now putting instead of directly 0, we are just going to introduce sigma and we're just following. After that, we're just going to replace sigma is equal to 0. And the method of follow pannalam. Otherwise, once we just reach infinity, the entire problem is now moved into second case 2. So அதில் என்ன பண்ண போறோம், put s equal to 1 by x solve பண்றோம், take LCM and just do with it x power 5, x power 4. எந்த மெத்தட ஃபாலோ பண்றீங்க, and just finally you just going to see whether the element is now greater than 0 check பண்றோம். இல்ல அப்படின்னா system is not unstable. So this is a two method. So if you're just familiar with any other methods, you just go with that, right? உங்களுக்கு எது familiar இருக்கோ அதை follow பண்ணிக்கோங்க, no issues, right? Any doubt in this? We'll see one more problem. Well, one special cases, right? Last problem in our route array. This is one more method, right? Let's see. Shall I rough it? Yeah. Any doubt? So these are one more method we are just going to see now. We'll see one more different problem. See, எல்லாமே பிளஸ்ல எல்லாமே வேல்யூஸ் வந்துச்சுன்னா இஷ்யூ இல்ல, டைரக்டா ஸ்டெபிலிட்டி சொல்லிடலாம். 0 வந்தனால இன்ஃபினிட்டி வந்துருது, அதனால நம்ம 2 மெத்தட்ஸ் ஃபாலோ பண்றோம். அதனால நீங்க எந்த மெத்தட்னாலும் ஃபாலோ பண்ணிக்கலாம். We'll see one more problem, right? So we'll have one more special case. So one more problem, note it down. Two s power 5, s power 4, 2 s square plus 2s plus 1 equal to 0. So comment the stability using route array. So comment the stability using route array, right? What we'll do now, solution, just start solution as per the same procedure. Start solution, right? So the same procedure, just fill it up. S power 5 இருக்கு, s power 5, s power 4. Here there is no s power 3, right? So s power 3 note la illa, s power 3, s power 2, s power 1, s power 0. So இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம் வர சான்ஸ் இருக்கு. மேல ஒரு டெர்ம் மிஸ் ஆகிற மாதிரி டெர்ம் கொடுப்பாங்க, right? No issues. We'll see. So s power 5 ஓட coefficient now, which is now 2. And then s power 3 இருக்கணும் இல்லையா, s power 3 is now missing, so that just go with it 0. s power 3 ப்ராப்ளத்துல கொடுக்கல, but while solving a problem, just put s power 3 இல்ல, now it's we called as 0. And then s power 1, which is now 2, which is now 2. And then s power 4 row, which is now 1. And then s power 2, which is 2. And then s power 0, which is now 1. Right? Next step, row 3 calculation. That is now s power 3 row. So s power 3 is 1 into 0, right? And 2 into 2, sorry, 1 into 0, that is now 1 into 0 divided by 1 into 0 minus 2 into 2 divided by 1, right? S power 5, S power 3, S power 1. Am I right? S power 4 and S power 2, 2. Right, okay. So 1 into 0, 0 minus 2 into 2, which is now 4 divided by 1, right? Now next value. So 1 into 0, 0, 2 into 2, 4 minus 4. And then next 1 into 2 and then 2 into 1 divided by 1. So 1 into 2 minus 2 into 1 divided by 1. So 1 into 2, 2 minus 2, 0, right? 0 anything by 0. Now third value also 0, right? This is not a special case, it's like a normal case, right? So S power 3 illa abdina, we just put into 0. As per the same thing, we're just going to follow. Now next one. So 4 into 2, 4 into 2 is 8 minus 8 divided by minus 4. This now 2 minus 4 into 1 minus 4 divided by minus 4, which is now 1. And the next 2 into 0, 0 minus 4, that is plus 4 by 2, which is now 2. And then 2 into 0, 1 into 0, everything is now 0. 2 into 0, 4 into 0 by 0 and 0. Finally, S power value 1, which is now 1. Just see in our first column of your row array, which is now again sign is changing 2 times, plus, plus, minus, plus, plus, plus. So the system is now unstable, right? This also unstable because of sign is now changing. Element plus la இருக்கும். Now plus la போயிட்டு minus போயிட்டு plus வந்து, right? Sign is now changing. That's why your system is now unstable, right? We'll see one more problem, then we'll have better clarity. இந்த மாதிரி கொடுப்பாங்க. There are some terms is missing ஆகி கொடுப்பாங்க. அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னா just pull it as 0, right? We'll see one more problem. Note it down. S power 5 plus 6 S power 4 plus 15 S cube plus 30 S square plus 44 S plus 24 is equal to 0. Determine the stability and using Routh array, right? Just start solution, right? Starting with the S power 5, right? S power 5, S power 4, S power 3, S power 2, S power 1, S power 0, right? Now we need to fill our elements, right? So in our first row elements, S power 5 order coefficient, which is now 1. And then S power 5 cut for a odd number, S power 3, this is now 15. And then S power 1, which is now 44, right? And then next row is power of 4th row, right? S power 4 row calculation. S power 4 element is now 6, right? Next element is power 2, that is now 30. Next element S power 0, which is now 24, right? 24. Now you people need to tell me, right? I'm not going to solve it, but you people need to tell me, right? So what is the value of S power 3 row calculation element? S power 3, just tell me quickly சொல்லுங்க. S power 3, S power 3 row element சொல்லுங்க. 6 into 15 minus 1 into 30 divided by 6. So 1 into 6 into 15 minus 1 into 30 divided by 6. What is the value? 6 into 15.
10.
எவ்வளோப்பா?
10.
10. Okay, next 6 into 44. 6 into 44. 6 into 44 minus 1 into 24. 1 into 24 divided by 6. What is the value?
40.
40. Okay. So this there is no column, again putting 0. Next S2 row calculation. S2 சொல்லுங்க, S2 row calculation. S2 row. S power 2 row. S square row calculation, right? So 10 into 30 minus 6 into 40 divided by 10. So 10 into 30 minus 6 into 40 divided by 10. What is the value?
6, sir.
Okay, thank you. And the next one, 6 into 24. Next in the limit, 10 into 24, 6 into 0 divided by this one. So 10 into 24, 240 minus 0 divided by 10, which is now 24, right? It's now 24. It's easy. It will be now 24. It's for easy for me, right? That's why. And in S power 1 row calculation, S power 1, S power 1. Just tell me last value S power 1. 6 into 40. So 6 into 40 minus 10 into 240 divided by 6. Divided by 6. 10 into 40, 6 into 6, 4 or 24, 240 minus 240. So 0 by anything is now, which is now 0. Am I right? Right. Right. So 6 into 4 or 24 into 0, 240 minus 240 divided by 6, which is now 0. Next element, 6 into 0, 10 into 0 divided by 6, which is also 0. This also 0. Right? So now, if you are having this type of condition, let's see, we are having one more new problem will be raised here, right? So we'll see. Actually, we are just going to see about first column of your row array, right? We'll see 0 வரும் அப்படின்னா infinity வரும். But in this S1 row பாத்தீங்கன்னா, right? S1 row, every element of in our row in element, right? So it will have a 0. Every element of this particular row is now 0, 0, 0. So every element in our this row is always all 0. So in the very case, what actually we need to do? So this also will be difficult to analyze the stability of this particular system, right? Actually, what we need to do in this type of problem, right? So we need to follow special case, right? So this is a fourth type of your problem in our router, right? So இதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா, it's very easy, right? In the row 0 element வருதோ, we need to look previous rows. So small modification we are just going to do. So right, we need to write a statement. So every element we need to write a statement like every element of your S power 1 row is now 0. So we couldn't able to find out, maybe we couldn't able to comment the stability of the given system. So for that purpose, we need to follow special case. Abdin comment eludno. So because I couldn't able to write this entire statement, but we will need to write in our examination time, right? And then, so what to do? So special case will be followed. That is now S power 2, right? So S power 2, that row should be remodified, right? So every modify பண்ணனும் பாருங்க. So S power 2, right? I'm just going to repeat this entire equations, right? Now I'm just going to write repeat this entire space. So now this line is going to be changed. எப்படி பண்ணனும்னா previous row is to be considered. So previous row எப்படி இருக்கு? So I'm just going to repeat this entire page, and it will be very easy. to understood, right? Right, so this is what our value right now. Now this second s power 2 row value 6240. அப்ப என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? S power 2 இருக்கு இல்லையா? Now we need to frame this equation, differential equation frame பண்ண போறேன், right? How I should do it? So 6, this coefficient, right? So coefficient தான் நமக்கு இருக்கும், that is called 6s square, right? So in the format அப்படியே equation மாத்துறேன். So இதோட coefficient என்னது s square. அப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எலிமெண்ட் கண்டிப்பா x ஸ்கொயர், அதுக்கு அடுத்த எலிமெண்ட் என்ன இருக்கும்? s பவர் 0 வரும். s பவர் 0 எலிமெண்ட், s பவர் 0 into 24 is equal to 0. So this is equation. So now final equation 6s square plus 24 equal to 0. So நான் equation மாத்திட்டேன். And then இது என்ன பண்ணணும்னா one time we need to differentiate with respect to s. We need to differentiate, right? So d of, I'm just going to call it as a, equation a. So then one time just I'm just going to differentiate with respect to s. So d of a divided by ds. So over time I differentiate panna kadaikum, 2 into 6 12, s power minus 1 I do, which is now 1, 24 is now 0. So I'm just going to getting an equation about 12s. ஒரு தடவை differentiate பண்ணீங்க என்ன கிடைக்குது? 12s. So in the value தான் I'm just going to replace over this எல்லாம் 0 element வந்துச்சு இல்லையா, அந்த இடத்துல என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? I'm just going to replace this s power 1 value. Right, got idea? Now we got idea, s power 1 value. Right, now I'm just going to once again, you people need to fill this entire column one more time. You people need to repeat this entire row array and putting s in the calculation complete when it comes to, and I'm just going to replace s power 1 value, which is now 12. Just now we have that value s power 1, which is now 12. So அப்படிங்கிறது நீங்க காமிக்கணும், 12ங்கிறது காமிக்கணும், right? And then next value we need to find out. So 6 into 0, 10 into 0 by 6, anything is now 0. And then final value s power 0, just 24. In our given equation 24. Right, just fill these entire values over here now. So now first value, first row, second row, third row, fourth row, 624, third 12, 0 and 24. Now we could see, we could have that stability command, right? Now we could see this entire route array is now getting framed. This other things is now 0, 0, right? So this is my route array. Just see in our first column of your route array element, every value is now greater than 0. That is now every element in our system is now, what could I say? Every element is now in the route array is now positive, right? So every element is positive. So the given system is to be a stable system, right? The system is now stable system. Any doubt up to this? Right, now I'm just going to perfect. So infinity vanduna will go with that a small variable side. அப்படினா will have 1 by x போலாம். So இப்படி ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் வந்திருக்கு, எல்லாமே அந்த ரோ particular row is everything is now 0 0 0 வந்து. So அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணனும்? previous row ஓட வேல்யூவை ஒரு one time என்ன பண்ணனும்? We need to previous value one time we need to, what could I say? We need to one time we need to differentiate with respect to s. அதுக்கப்புறம் வர வேல்யூ அடுத்த ரோல we need to submit. Right, we'll see one more problem. Sometimes they will give you like this problem, right? So sometimes people will give this type of problem also. One second, I'm just looking for a problem. One more problem, just note it down. Instead of direct உங்களுக்கு problem கொடுக்காம என்ன கேட்கலாம் அப்படின்னா, they will introduce some constant, right? They will going to introduce some constants, and the constant la நீங்க வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிக்க மாதிரி இருக்கும், right? We'll see. Sometimes directly எல்லாமே s power 3, s power 4 அந்த மாதிரி கொடுக்காம they will introduce some constant or variable, right? And the variable இருந்து we need to follow, we need to find out that variable values, right? We'll see. Let's note it down. So they are just given an open loop system, G of S. They're just going to give an open loop system, G of S, which is now K divided by S plus 2 into S plus 2 into, I'm going to zoom it once again, S power 3 plus 10 S square plus 49s plus 100. So this is an open loop system GFS, and unity feedback, that is now H is now 1, right? Find out the K value, right? Find out the K value, right? So unity feedback system, that is now H of S is now 1. They're actually asking about K value. They're asking about K value. In the problem, the chance, right? So now what to do? So we need to find out characteristic equation. So 1 plus G of S into H of S is equal to 0. We need to frame this like this, right? So this is what a characteristic equation we need to follow. So they are just given now G of S and unity feedback, that is now H of S is equal to 1. So we need to find out this characteristic equation. And once we just arrive at this characteristic equation, as usual, Raoult array format, just directly we'll go, right? Now we'll go 1 plus K divided by S plus 2 into S cube plus 10 S square plus 49 S plus 100 into 1 is equal to 0. Take LCM on this side, right? Just LCM again. So S power 2 S cube plus 10 S square plus 49 S plus 100 plus K is equal to 0, right? K equal to 0. Just multiply into the right. So just bracket S power 4 plus 10 S cube plus 49 S square plus 100 S plus 2 all multiply பண்ண போறேன். So 2 S cube plus 20 S square plus 49 98 S plus 200 plus K is equal to 0. Simplify பண்ணுங்க, make it fast. Just simplify it. This is our final equation. Simplify பண்ண என்ன கிடைக்குது? Just simplify your entire equation. So maximum S power 4, right? Which is now maximum S power 4 that கிடைக்குது. Maximum value S power 4. And then S power 3 la add பண்ணுங்க. 10 S cube, 12 S cube. So 10 plus 2, 12 S cube. Then S square எழுதுங்க. X square பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 49 plus 20. Then 69 plus 69 S square. Then S power 1, 100, 98. So 198, right? So 198 S. Remaining constant value are actually 100, 200 plus 200 plus unknown variable K is equal to 0. Unknown variable K is equal to 0. Now directly go with the what would I say, Raoult array format. Raoult array format polama little faster it will be very easy. So S power 4, S power 3, S power 2, S power 1, S power 0. Right? So we'll start. So first element S power 4, which is 1, S power 2, 69, and then S power 0, which is now S power 0. This also a constant, that's why I'm going to make it as whole constant, right? S power 0, right? 200 plus K is total constant term, that's why. And then S power 3, 12. s power 3 12, s power 1 which is now 198, and s power 3 s power 1, that's all right. So here it will be no more element, that's why it's 0. Now next கொஞ்சம் faster சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். If people need கொஞ்சம் faster. 12 into 69, so 12 into 69 minus 198 divided by 12, what is the value? கொஞ்சம் faster சொல்லுங்க. 12 into 69 minus 198 divided by 12, what is the value? கொஞ்சம் குயிக்கா சொல்லுங்கப்பா. 12 into 69 minus 1 into 198 divided by 12, what is the value?
52.5.
60.
52.5.
Okay, 52.5. Okay, next element 12 into what could I say, 12 into 200 plus k, 1 into 0 divided by 12, right? Am I right? Next value 12 into 200 plus k, 1 into 0 0, it is now 0 divided by 12. So this 12 is now getting cancelled, remaining 200 plus k, here it will be 0. And the next element, next கொஞ்சம் calculate பண்ணுங்க, s power 1 200 plus k, I'm still replacing 200 plus k. So first element நம்ம கஷ்டம், second element ல easy நம்ம solve ஆகும். Second element ல calculator தேவையில்ல, first element ல difficult ஆகும். Next 52.198 minus 12 into 200 plus k divided by 52.5, what is the value? கொஞ்சம் fast சொல்றீங்களா? 52 into 0.5 into 198 minus, so this is a whole huge term, right? This is a little big term, make it fast. 52 into 0.5 into 198 divided by 52.5. So anyway, I'm just going to write it over here. Just you people just simplify it later, right? So 52.5 into 198. Konja calculate, it will be easy for me. 200 plus k divided by 52.5. இங்க ஒரு value வரும் இல்லையா? Next element 52.0 into 0. 12 into 0 0. 0 by anything is now 0. This also 0, this also 0, right? Next s element value, s power 0, that is now 200 plus k, remaining element 0. Then you can simplify பண்ணிடுங்க, no issues, right? So now every element of your row array is now filled. But even though, right, so இதுவும் positive, இதுவும் positive, இதுவும் positive, but this also positive, 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 but there is an unknown variable k. This 200 also positive, but there is an unknown variable k. So actually we need to find out variable number k. So எனக்கு k கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். First row கண்டிப்பா எல்லாம் plusல தான் இருக்கு, but even though k variable also there, அப்ப என்ன பண்ணணும்னா we need to equal to 0. இது equal to 0 பண்ணுங்க, right? It will be very easy, right? என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா first row everything is now plus, which is now greater than or equal to 0. அப்படின்னா மட்டும் தான் stable system. அப்ப என்ன பண்றேன், இருக்கிற இந்த ரெண்டு unknown variable அந்த term equal to 0 பண்றேன், right? So now once we just finished this row array, we need to equal to 0 பண்ண போறோம் இந்த two element. For that purpose I'm just going to repeat entire thing, but you people need to separately write it these two terms, right? So the ரெண்டு டைம் என்ன பண்ணீங்கன்னா செப்பரேட்டா நீங்க எடுத்து வெளியில எழுதுங்க தனியா, right? Now I'm not going to write it again, but anyway I'm just going to equal to 0 பண்றேன், right? But you people write separately. So now here 52.5 இருந்துச்சு, 52.5. So இது என்ன பண்ண போறேன், greater than 0 பண்ண போறேன். இதையும் 200 plus k greater than 0 பண்றேன், right? அப்ப என்ன பண்ணலாம், இந்த term right sideல போச்சுன்னா 0 வரும். 52.5 into 0 into anything is now 0, right now. So இந்த value அந்த பக்கம் போச்சுன்னா this total value ரைட், இங்கே இருக்கட்டும். இதை இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு போயிடலாம். பிளஸ் வேல்யூ ஆயிடுமா, which is now 52.5 into 198. So greater than, இது இந்த பக்கம் போச்சுன்னா பிளஸ் ஆயிடும். 12 200 plus k. இந்த 12 இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு வந்துருங்க. It will be in the form of denominator. Right, இந்த minus 200 இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு வந்துருங்க. சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ண சொல்லுங்க, கொஞ்சம் குயிக்கா சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணுங்க. சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ண என்ன வரும்? Make it fast. இந்த 200 இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு வரேன். So 52.5 into 198 divided by 12. This value minus 200 greater than k. What is the value over here? So இதை நீங்க greater than பண்ணீங்கன்னா இந்த k இந்த பக்கம், இந்த k இங்கே இருக்கட்டும். 200 இந்த பக்கம் வந்துச்சுன்னா k should be greater than minus 200. இந்த 200 இந்த பக்கம் வந்துரும். So the k ஓட possible ranges பாருங்க. K should be greater than 200. இது ஒரு range. இதுக்கு ஒரு வேல்யூ சொல்லுங்க. What is the value? 52.98. கொஞ்சம் குயிக்காப்பா. என்ன வேல்யூ இப்ப நானே சொல்லிடுறேன், நீங்க கொஞ்சம் குயிக்கா சொல்லுங்க. 52 into 5 into 198 divided by 12. சால்வ் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? Make it fast. 600 இது மொத்தமா சொல்றீங்களா? minus 200 சேர்த்துட்டீங்க டோட்டலா. ஓகே, வாட் இஸ் தி வேல்யூ? 600 66.25
sir 660.
Okay, 666. Okay, 666.25. So அப்போட k ஓட வேல்யூ is now less than, so I'm just going to make a ranges, right? ரெண்டு வேல்யூ கம்பைன் பண்றேன். So k ஓட வேல்யூ கம்பைன் பண்ண எப்படி வரும்? It should be greater than minus 200. It should be less than 66.25. Right? This is what a range is. So this is what the value. So அவங்க என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க, they are asking about k value. The k value நீங்க எப்படி எழுதணும்னா, the k value will be present at me in this range. So plus 665 to minus 200. The value which should be what should be k should be less than 66.25. It should be greater than minus 200. So in the ranges குள்ள இருக்கும்னு நீங்க சொன்னீங்க போதும், more than enough, right? The k range value will be available at my this range. இவ்வளவுதான், right? So these are the different problem which we have seen, right, in our Routh-Hurwitz criterion. So இந்த மாதிரி problem தான் கேட்க முடியும், right? So thank you all for listening. We'll meet by new topic by tomorrow, right? Thank you all for listening. Thank you, Pa.